No.
Looks like an alligator, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
Are you glad it's over?
I can do it again.
You could do it again?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
You feel tingly, though.
We could.
And I like that, because you can't control your body. And you're like, what the heck? I wanna really control my body.
Yes.
I know.
I'm glad you're not crying.
I'm so happy. I'm not crying. I can't feel like skin. Like, that's the thing. I can't feel like skin, and it feels weird.
Yeah. Just gonna be really numb for a while.
Yeah, I don't remember my skin being that fat. It is. Ooh.
Alright, I'm gonna change your gauze out.
Okay.
Okay. These will be the ones that you keep in for 30 minutes.